a very good noon to all the ladies and gentlemen in this beautiful event. I am MC Geet here and I welcome all to this beautiful event of Hans India. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let me inform you that the Hans India brings to you the Ghar Ka Khana contest. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let me take you through our sponsorship partners here. Our sponsorship partner are the title partner is Gold DVR Refined Sunflower Oil. Our prize partner are Hometown, Vacation partner Vacation Exotica, and our rent partner are Sub-Brand Karo. Ladies and gentlemen, I would welcome you all to this beautiful event, and I welcome all the participants to take so much hard work and dedication and come here in this beautiful weekend and to make our event successful. Thank you, people. And meanwhile, our cook will start a quick recipe and our participant can taste it. Come over here and you can taste our quick recipe done by our chef here. Thank you, people. And I'll be coming to the participant here and I will be asking a few questions regarding the recipe and the time they have taken for the recipe. So meanwhile, our chef will create a quick recipe for them. Thank you, people, and have a great day to all of you. Recipes you have bought.
I've made a veg biryani.
Your name, ma'am?
Sana Khan.
Okay, nice name.
Thank you. So I've made a veg biryani and a non-veg biryani.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And how much time it have taken to make the full recipe?
And keep it ready. It takes around 45 minutes.
All right, all right. So may I know what oil you are using in your home, ma'am? And in what parameter?
There are some secret ingredients that go in making of a biryani.
Okay, you can take this. Yeah. So what oil you are using to make your daily cooking oil?
I use a mustard oil.
Mustard oil?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you want to share any thought for our participants here?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. No. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you, ma'am. So, hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Yeah, ma'am. Your name?
Padmalatha.
Yeah, ma'am. I am happy to see you here. You have so much courage and you have come here with your dedication and hard work. So may I know what are the recipes you have bought here to show us?
Vegetable biryani.
Vegetable biryani. Yeah?
Half an hour aindi cheyadam.
Half an hour. And the ingredients, you know?
Onions.
Yeah, onions.
Onions, mirchi.
Okay.
Carrot, aloo.
Okay.
Beans.
Okay. That's all?
Butter.
Okay. Okay.
Ghee and olive oil.
Okay, ma'am. So it takes half an hour
Half
to
an hour.
yeah. So ma'am, may I know what oil you are using in your home for daily cooking? Oil. Nice to know that. So thank you, ma'am. Coconut as well.
Water.
Yeah. Okay.
Comprava water.
Fine. Fine. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You can have a seat. Show their recipes to us. Meanwhile, our chef will cook a dish in front of you, and the participant can come here and taste it as well. So, chef, you can start. I want to ask you about the ingredients for what is the dish you are cooking, sir?
I'm making paneer and cheese monnets, which is a kid's favorite dish, and it's also a healthy, and it can be completed in 15 minutes.
So, it is completed in 15 minutes, right? So, you'll start now? So, I can see more 3 participants coming over here right now, and I'll be going through their recipes now. Till then, our chef will cook their dish here. So, first I'll come to you, ma'am. Hello and good afternoon, ma'am. What's your name?
Lavanya.
Lavanya. So, ma'am, what did you bought today?
Veg biryani.
Veg biryani. And can you tell me the recipes?
Vegetables.
Yeah.
Carrot, beetroot.
Okay.
Beans.
Okay.
Aloo.
Yeah.
Onions.
Yeah.
Red chili.
Okay.
Green chili.
Yeah. And how much time?
Take half an hour.
Half an hour. And may I know the oil you are using for cooking purpose? Daily.
Sunflower oil.
Sunflower oil.
Hi,
So,
good
hello,
afternoon.
what's your name?
My name is Geeta.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Now, chicken biryani.
You bought chicken biryani.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Nice. Yeah.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Onions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Green chilies. Red chili
Yeah.
powder. Garam masala.
Yeah.
Hari dhania.
Okay.
And garam masala.
Yeah.
Oil, sunflower oil.
Yes.
Then prepare for basmati rice.
Okay.
Within 45 minutes.
Okay.
I have time. Taken.
Okay. Nice. Nice to know that. And the cooking oil you are using for your daily purpose?
Sunflower oil.
Sunflower oil. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You can take your seat. Yeah, hello, ma'am, and good afternoon, ma'am. What's
Hi.
your name?
Hi, my name is Menaka.
Meenka. You are from Aparna Towers?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you cook today?
I've made veg biryani.
Veg biryani. And can you take me to the ingredients?
Yeah, see, my daughter likes green peas a lot, so I focus
Okay.
more on green peas.
All right.
Probably protein content is more.
Yeah.
And I've used a minimal oil of ghee only for the seasoning on top I've used because biryani is usually a very rich food.
Yes, yes.
So I've tried to maintain the health consciousness
Yeah.
in mind, used
Okay.
minimum oil as much as
Yeah,
possible.
yeah.
And only topped with ghee, otherwise I haven't added ghee at all. And that is only for the, for the look perspective, the presentation
yes.
perspective, I've used
Yes.
the ghee a bit with
Yes,
cashews.
yeah.
Otherwise, there is nothing else which is bad in it.
Okay.
I've used vegetables, capsicum,
Yeah,
carrot, green
yeah.
peas, onion,
Yeah.
and tomatoes.
Yeah.
I've used curd as well because it helps in the digestion
Okay,
process
yes.
because the lactobacillus is there. It is good for health.
Yeah, yeah.
Basmati
Yeah,
rice
yeah.
and I've used basmati rice with a low glycemic index so that it doesn't hamper your health as well because per se it's a rich food.
Yes, yes. So how much time totally you have taken?
This is a very easy cooking. It is a one-step process.
Yeah.
So probably not more than 20 minutes I've actually taken for the end-to-end cooking.
All right. And may I know the oil you are using for your daily cooking purpose?
Daily purpose, I normally alternate between rice bran oil and sunflower oil.
All right,
refined
ma'am.
oils.
So thank you for sharing your thoughts. I really liked it because you are caring for your children so much. You can sit here. We'll come to you back again. Thank you. And did you prepare? You put the same oil, right? This golden way. Yeah, okay. So for deep fry, how much time it will take? 4 minutes? Okay. Take you through our sponsorship partners. Our title partner is Goldivia Refined Sunflower Oil. Our prize partner is Hometown. And our vacation partner is Vacation Exotica. Let me also inform you that sponsorship. So these are the four. Our sponsorship partners are, like I'm repeating, the title partner is Goldivia Refined Sunflower Oil, and our prize partner are Hometown, vacation partner Vacation Exotica, and our brand partner is sub-brand Karo. Taste of the chef food over here, and you can give us the feedback regarding the recipe he had made here. You can come over the stage, everyone. Yeah.
Kids' favorite recipe. It's very quick to make it. You can just come and have a taste. I've used potato, onion, cilantro, paneer and Amul cheese for making this. And then I have coated it with cornflakes so that it gives a crispy texture. And kids will definitely enjoy it. Please, ma'am.
So, Lava Kishore, he will come to you and taste the recipe and give you the feedback, and I will announce the winner here. Whoever tasted from here, how is? Yeah. Okay, okay. We'll take that feedback. Yeah. So, ma'am, you also tasted it, right? So, how is it? Yeah.
The cheese was very nice and gooey inside, so that was nice. Kids will love it, I suppose. Only thing is, you'll have to keep in mind when you're deep frying the health part of it.
Understand. Thank you, ma'am. So, next I will come to you. Ma'am, how did you like the recipe?
Crispy, ma'am, but very spicy.
Okay.
Food na, then light spicy is the inka బాగుంటుంది.
All right, we'll take care of it. Yeah, yeah, sure. So, our judge will come to your place and they will taste the recipe, whatever you are bringing.
కొంచెం నూనెతో ఎంతో రుచిగా ఎన్నో వంటలు చేయొచ్చు. గోల్ గోల్.
Less spice. And I added methi so that it gives a flavor at the end, and also it brings down the calorific quotient. So here for presentation I've used cashews and otherwise paneer. Otherwise everything else is fine.
You did all have done a great job, and I am like they are making so like I was like happy to see them cooking in the weekend, and we'll announce the results. Naveen from Gold Divya to the stage here, so please come over the stage. Participant certificates to all the participants here, so I'll be calling the participant names here and you will come over the stage and take your participant certificates. So Miss Lavanya, so Sai Reddy sir is giving the certificate to Lavanya. Judge will come over the stage and announce the winners. Don't lose hope. You can do better. You can get better opportunities in your life, and you can go ahead. And all have done a fabulous job. Thank you, people. And the winner is the judge will now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Everyone did a very good job. It's a very good attempt by everyone. And finally, there should be only one winner, so I have choose only one amongst the vegetarian and one amongst the non-vegetarian. And I would congratulate Miss Padma Garu in the vegetarian category and Miss Sana in the non-veg category.
Congratulations to both of you, Padma ma'am and Sana ma'am here, and others are also, they have done a great job. So hats off to everyone. Everyone have done a great job. So I liked everyone's recipe, but these are the two best ones. Thank you, Sana ma'am.
Congratulations to winners and participants. So, యాక్చువల్గా ఈ బిర్యానీ కాంపిటీషన్ అనేది మేము 20 గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీస్లో చేస్తున్నాము. అందులో భాగంగానే ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ చేయడం జరిగింది. లాస్ట్ సాటర్డే సండే సాకేత్ అండ్ సహారాలో చేసాము. అక్కడ కూడా వెజ్లో ఒకరిని, నాన్ వెజ్లో ఒకరిని విన్నర్స్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసాము. ఈ విన్నర్స్ అందరికి కూడా 20 గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీస్లో కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక హోటల్లో ఈ వెజ్ విన్నర్సు, నాన్ వెజ్ విన్నర్స్ అందరికి కూడా లైవ్ కాంపిటీషన్ ఉంటుంది. అక్కడ మా చెఫ్లు ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇళ్ళ కాడ చేసుకుని తీసుకొస్తున్నారు, అక్కడ మాత్రం అక్కడే చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఆ వివరాలన్నీ కూడా మీకు మళ్ళీ మేము ఇన్ఫామ్ చేస్తాము, ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఏంటి అనేది కూడా. ఆ రోజు ఆ కాంపిటీషన్లో దాదాపు 6 lakhs వర్త్ ప్రైజ్ మనీ ఉంది, ప్రైజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటన్నిటికి కూడా మీరు ప్రిపేర్ కావాలి. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు ఆల్ participants and especially winners. Thank you one and all.
I was informed that we have 650 flats in this society. For me, everybody is winner. you know, whoever participated, he is
Yes.
automatically winner. You know, out of 650, 5 people or 6 people who have participated, they are winners. So, congratulations for that. The second thing is, whoever has selected here, they are going to participate in the finals. So the final structure, we are still discussing how it is going to be. Basically, we don't want to provide everything from our side, because tomorrow, whatever will be the final product, we don't want to, you know, participants come and say, my recipe is better because of my own ingredients. So whatever ingredients you have given is not good for my recipe. So that we want to just avoid it. So that is the one thing. So we will inform all the winners what is going to be the structure, where we are going to conduct it, and what will be the overall scenario, so that they will come prepared. So timings and everything will be there, and I hope whoever participated here, at least they will come to support their society people who are participating there, because we are going to have 40 finalists, 20 in veg and 20 in non-veg. Tentative dates also we are going to come up with, because we are participating for 20 societies. So this is our third. Tomorrow is going to be the fourth. So it's every Saturday and Sunday. So by the time we will finish 20, then only we'll be able to finalize the final dates and the location. So thank you from my side, from
Thank you, sir.
complete team side, for coming and participating.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for participating in this event. And myself is from Vacations Exotica, and I want to inform that there is a special offer going for this. Actually, Vacation Exotica do the tours and also does the packages within India and abroad also. And we are one of the tour operators conducting the tours to Europe, USA, like Australia, New Zealand, and Asia also. So if you have any tour plans from this society, you can call us saying that we had participated in the Biryani Festival, and you can claim for more discounts also at the same time. So please do suggest your colleagues or from the society who are planning abroad or having some plans to travel within India. They can call us for the queries, and we'll give you the best fare and also the discounts apart from that. Okay? Thank you again. Congratulations to all who had participated.